Welcome to a short tutorial on how to use the Odyssey Charter School Contractor Timesheet. So using these basic information, please go ahead and put in your name and then today's date, which is right there. And go ahead and sign it. You can use your mouse as best you can. And then what we have here are the two typical blocks that you would see, and you can see the hours worked and the timed work as an example. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to type in today's date. Now, as a way of making this a little bit simpler, if you use Control-C and then you go Control-V, you can go down and add in these dates and simply correct and change them a little bit faster so that you can see what that looks like as we typed it in. Now, if I'm working a typical amount of time, say I did 8 hours for each of those days, I can go ahead and put that in there. And then if I did an 8-hour work day and I worked 7:30 to 3:30, as we kind of have up there above. Again, you can kind of highlight that and Control-C, V all the way down. And if I was specific on what I was doing, we can go ahead and put it in here, which I typically help with testing, so I can put in testing help. If that was the case, you guys have your own job assignments, so you can go ahead and put it in. Now, if I needed to, as I was saying, if this bottom is the same situation as up there, we can go ahead and again cut and paste all of this down here. I'm going to go ahead and fill that in and pause the video. So now what you can see is that these hours were totaled for me for all of the hours that I worked there. This time I decided to fill it in as a class aid substitute teacher. And now I will hit the submit button and you are finished.